Hey there, check out this beautiful double-story terrace house at section U12 Shah Alam. It is located in between Ardence and section 7 Shah Alam. This area is a gated and guarded community. The house has a land area of 22 by 75 with a build-up of 2,200 square feet. It consists of 4 rooms and 3 bathrooms. Come check this beautiful house. What I like about this property, the entrance door has been extended and the living plaster ceiling hall has been renovated as well. The kitchen has been extended all the way to the back, providing an ample space for your family during dining. This property is really well kept and is in move-in condition. Fully renovated, moving condition and good location. This house is perfect for families looking for property in between section 7 and Setia Alam. Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful house.